images. You can submit like 20 images per day. Okay, though we are not going to be using free pick, but the platform I want to show you is very easy and very easy to access, and it is very easy to mix it. You can design today and mix it tomorrow. Okay, so now let's go back to my dashboard. Now this is a single image. This is where people comes, graphic designer comes here, okay, to download image. News broadcasters, they comes here to download images. People comes here to download the image they want to use, and they make a purchase for it. Now here is one image for example. You can just see it. About 267 download. That is 267 has paid. If you see anything like this, any image with king logo, it means you cannot get it for free. And you can see it now. 265 download it, multiply it with the dollar. 155 download this, 95 people download it, 62 people download it. Now if I check the account of this person, you can see premium. It is premium. You can generate this with your AI image. It is very simple as ABC, and you can even create something similar to this. I can screenshot this and I will create something similar to this and also upload it. So that is how it works. You earn 50% commission, while the platform also take 50% commission. That is how it works. You can generate this image within few seconds on your phone or on your smartphone. So that is how it works. You just upload once and you keep on selling it till eternity. Okay, unless you delete it from your website or from your account rather. And you can submit anything you like. You can submit mock-up, you can submit background, you can submit images on food, you can submit on sports, just anything that comes to your mind. You can submit icons. Whatsoever you generate, you can submit it. It is as simple as ABC, and that is how it works. So just a single image can generate you millions of naira. Okay, as you can see it here. If I click on see more now, you will see a lot of accounts, and just click on it, upload, and you can also see future trendings 2023, things that are trending, and people comes and buy. While you upload once, no adverts, no marketing, you sit down, people comes here, they download it, and every month you cash out in dollar. That is how it works. It is not difficult. Even a secondary school student can do it. 10 years old child can do it successfully and make money here in dollar. So if you think it is difficult or it is hard to do, no, it is not hard. You need just between 10 to 15 minutes every day to upload when you generate your image. So that is it. I want to show you here so that you can see live how you get your pictures being sold online. Now if you look at this, if you are not aware of free pick, just go to free pick. You see a lot of different type of pictures you can download image. Now look at this image for example. It is not free. You can see everything is premium, so you have to make payment of €9 for 12 months. But see, if it is for just 1 month, you are going to pay this €9 is per month, every month for 12 months. So €9 every month. Just imagine you are the one that created this video, this photo. You can see this €15 for 1 month. Imagine if the images are created by you, and you are going to do this with your smartphone, only your smartphone, and you upload your image. Okay, so let's see another one. All this can be done on your smartphone. So this one is a paid background, and you can just tell your AI tools to generate you the different type of background, and you download it, you upload it online, you make your own cool cash. It is as simple as ABC. Okay, you are going to make your cool cash. Now here is another website. Okay, and you can see this, get 20% off the code. All this one, it is paid one. You have to pay. You see all these images, you have to pay before you get it, before you can download it. And with the help of your AI too, just type dog. You can just add some attributes to it, and you get all this dog even with the background. And after that, you upload, and if in few months you see your money grow. You can see download for free. You cannot download it for free. If you download it for free, it will have all this watermark. So if you don't want this watermark, I believe you have downloaded video or image and you see watermark on it, it is because it was given to you for free. If you want to get the premium version, you have to pay, and people are paying for it. Yes, so that is just it.